Alright guys, got some water, so we got a little bit of rust on our chain, and this is how to lube your chain. Just a quick chain lube video here. So I've jacked it up here, and this would probably be easier with two people. Have one person hold the bike, and then I'm gonna just put it in neutral, start it up, and then pop it back in gear, and let that tire spin there so we have the chain moving. Then I've just got my chain lube here. I'm just gonna spray it on the chain while we've got it running, and that way I get the whole chain lubed up really quick and easy. I'll spray the top side, and then I'll spray the bottom side of the chain. That way I'm getting both sides of it. So this is really simple, really easy to do. And then once I've got the chain lube sprayed on it, I'll just set it back down and I'm good to go. So that's all for this video, real quick and easy on how to lube your chain on your bike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.